In this demo, I'll be showing you how to use if-let to perform actions when you have some data. Here we can see we're creating optional data containing the name Jerry. We're then matching on this data. If we have a username, we'll just print out the username. And if we don't have a username, we'll just print out no user. If there was a situation where you only cared if there was some user, and if there was nothing, we don't care what happens, we can use the if-let construct. So if-let is created by typing in if-let, and then you just simply place the pattern that you've been using within your match block for the type of data you want to match. So in this case, we'll do sum user equals maybe user. And then within this block, I'll do the print line that we have above. The if-let here is functionally equivalent to matching on only the first arm here. If there is no data in the none case, then nothing will happen. So here we're only going to print out the username if the user exists, and if not, we just won't even do anything. We can make it exactly the same as the match block by using an else, and then just printing out no user. Now this entire if-else chain is the same as the entire match block. As you can see, if-let is shorter, but only when you want to match on one thing. If you actually do want to handle both cases, then using the match keyword is usually the best choice. We can also use if-let on enum variants. Let's create an enum. We'll just have some colors. We'll create a color enumeration, and then we can use if-let, and we also have else. So if we're only interested in one specific color, red in this case, we can use if-let to make it a little bit shorter. But as noted, if you do want to handle the case where it's not red using else, then it's generally shorter just to use match. I'll run this program and we should get out a username along with it's red. And there we go, as expected. We have the user printed out because we have a user, and we have it's red because the variant we chose was red. Most of the time you'll probably want to use a match block because it's more beneficial, since the match block will ensure that you match on every single variant, whereas if-let will only match on the one specific thing that you're looking for. However, if-let is good in scenarios where you know you only want to find one specific thing, and you know that you won't need to expand on it later. This concludes the demo on if-let. I'll see you in the next presentation.